by the Career Coaching Class. Welcome to you all. Is this educational websites? Today I will teach Maths Standard 10th Part 1. I taught previous days simultaneous linear equations with example and some questions. And today I teach practice set 1.2. Question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. Question 2 है and in this question number 1, x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 4. Let student solve this on the paper. First we make the table like this. X plus y is equal to 6 and here second table is x minus y is equal to 4. First students, I solve the first equation या first table means equation number 1. What is the question? You understand first. Question हमारा क्या है? x plus y is equal to 6 है. This is very easy. You can feel by own mind, using own mind. How? यानी x और y को प्लस करने पे 6 नंबर हमको मिल रहा है. सो हम यहाँ पे गेस करके इफ आई राइट हियर 1, ओके, एंड 1 प्लस 5 इज इक्वल टू 6 हुआ. इजिली यू कैन फील दिस. एंड सेकेंड व्हाट आई गेस, सपोज x इज इक्वल टू 2, सो y इज इक्वल टू 4. ओके, क्लियर. 4 2 इज इक्वल टू 6. Now x suppose I take 3 and also take y 3. Clear? Now in the last column I guess here x means 4 and y means 2. Okay, and here order pair is necessary. How? 1 5 2 4 3 3 and 4 2. Okay, let's solve equation number 1, x plus y. What is the first question? x plus y is equal to 6. यानी हमने x को क्या सपोज किया है, क्या गेस किया है? सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग 1, यानी x को हमने 1 गेस किया है. सो यहाँ पे हम राइट करेंगे x is equal to 1. Question again write x plus y is equal to 6. So x means 1 and y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus 1. Y की value what? 1. Clear student? So this is the answer. Now second what? Same question you repeat. x इज इक्वल टू 2. x को हमने क्या लिया है? 2 लिया है. क्वेश्चन हमारा क्या है? x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 6. हमने x को क्या सपोज किया है? 2 सपोज किया है. सो अगेन क्वेश्चन x प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 6. सो x क्या सपोज किया था? 2. 2 प्लस वाई इज इक्वल टू 6. सो y विल व्हाट? यानी 6 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? y इज इक्वल टू 4. आंसर वी गॉट, आई फिल्ड बिफोर हियर 4. सो x की वैल्यू 2 एंड y की वैल्यू 4. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन question number 4. Again we write x plus y is equal to 6 and we guess x value is 4. So again we put x equal to 4. x को हमने 4 सपोज किया है, मीन्स 4 plus y equal to 6. Okay, so y value is what? 6 minus 4 equal to 2. मीन्स y की वैल्यू हमें क्या मिली? 2. So we feel according to these simultaneous equations, we filled here 4 and 1. Let's solve the second equation number 2. Equation number 2. If I focus x minus y equal to 4, यानी x में से y को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो हमें 4 मिलता है. So what we can guess? Suppose 5 minus 1, 4 आंसर मिला. Here I can guess 6 minus 2, also get same answer, and 5, suppose 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. I guess you have to guess according to your mind, and we put here pair of order 5 1, 6 2, 7 3, 4 0. Now we solve these equations. Question what? X minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. I suppose x is equal to 5. 5 suppose किया ना यहाँ पे 5. So x minus y is equal to 4. x को 5 suppose किया है तो 5 minus y is equal to 4. So y की वैल्यू what? 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. y की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? ये इधर -1, -1. We guess here x is equal to 6. हमने x को क्या सपोज किया है? 6 किया है. क्वेश्चन वाज x minus y is equal to 4, and we suppose we guess x is equal to क्या गेस किया हमने? 6 गेस किया है. सो x के प्लेस पे we put the 6 रखेंगे. 6 minus y is equal to 4, and now we y is equal to what? 6 minus 4. So minus y is equal to what? 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, minus 2. Okay, clear? Are you understanding or not, my students? You can reply by your comment. Number 3 was, I suppose your x is equal to 7. Again we write same question, x minus y is equal to 4, and we guess x is equal to 7. Okay, same question, x minus y is equal to 4. x को हमने suppose guess 7 guess किया, so 7y minus 4. So y value is 7 minus 4. What will? 3. 7 minus 3. Now last 4 number, I choose here x value is 4. So question again write x minus y is equal to 4, and we put the place of x is 4. X minus y is equal to 4. Y value is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So we got the answer 4 order and 0. This was simultaneous equation. Now we plotting this on the graphical position on the graph notebook. Students, see here, I trace one line. This is x-axis. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. Okay, we plotted here digits. This side is the positive number, positive x, and this is positive y, and here is negative x or negative y, and here negative x axis. Okay, now let's focus on the order pair. First, x minus x plus y is equal to 6. यानी we are going to plotting x plus y line. What order pair? 1 and 5. 1 and 5. So let's see where is 1 and 5 positive number. 5 किधर है? 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5 and 1 किधर है? This is 1. So we can dotted here and write also 5 order. Sorry students, here is 1 2 3 4 5 and this is 1. So we put here dot 1 and order pair 1.5. Second was what? 2 and 4. So where is the 2? 4 first, see? 1 2 3 4. Okay, you can put here your scale. 4 किधर है? यहाँ पे देखो 4. This is 4 and 2 किधर है? 1 and 2. This is 2. 1 and 2. Okay, so we dotted here 2 and 4. Okay, next is 3 and 3. So where is 3? This is 3. See here, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, and this is dot point of the 3 and 3, and also write it here 3 and 3. Last 4 and 1. Where is 4? Where is 4? This is, see, 1 2 3 4. 4 and 2, 1 2. Okay, so I dotted here 4 and 2. At last this number order is complete, so we put here scale and trace straight line. All dotted should be matched. Okay, and this line is, you can write here x plus y is equal to 6. ये ऑर्डर नंबर किसके हैं? x प्लस y के, एंड इसको प्लॉटिंग किया, ट्रेसिंग किया. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, सी हियर, वी प्लॉट दिस लाइन 5 and 1. Where is 5? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5. So I put 5 and 1 किधर है? ये 1 ही जाएगा, 1. So we can write here 5 and 1. Next what? 6 2. Where is 6? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6 and 1 2. So here we dotted and write 6 2. Next 7 3. Where is 7? This is 7. 7 and 3. 1 2 3. So we dotted here and written here 7 and 3. 7 and 3. Now this order pair number plotted, and keep your scale and trace a straight line like this. Okay, and this is x minus y is equal to 4 ray. Here is intersecting. Focus, where is intersecting line? This is exact solution of this simultaneous equations. कहाँ पे लाइन कट मार रही है? यहाँ पे. कहाँ पे कट मार रही है? This. So this is the answer. कहाँ पे कट मार रही है? 5 and 1 पे. 5 and 1 पे क्रॉस हो रहा है, इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. So this is exact solution, and you can write कि this is the solution of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. This is solution. X is equal to 5 and y is equal to 1. Okay students, see the second question. X plus y is equal to 5